Let's make Boar Queso rolls.
Please like and subscribe down below. Let's start with some fresh wild boar. Cumin, oregano, coriander, chili powder, paprika, salt, achiote. Half an orange. Dump it all in. You really want to work this meat so that kebab stays on that skewer. Let's get that barbecue started. Torch it with my grill gun. Get long skewers. You want to divide your meat into 4 equal parts. Work each ball onto a skewer all the way down, not more than 1 inch thick across. Turning it over constantly. You want to pinch the ends and pinch it all the way through so it sticks to that skewer. Continue until all the skewers are done. Pro tip, use some water so it doesn't stick to your hands. Make sure the ends are pinched to the skewer, that way it doesn't fall off when it's on the grill. Add some jalapenos for garnish. Let's send it to the barbecue. Lay them onto the barbecue, get a nice char all the way around, rotating often. Pull them off. 1 tortilla. Throw down some cheese. Lay one of those skewers on and slide that skewer out. And roll it up nice and tight. Chop off the end and cut about 6 to 7 slices. Leave the other end for a quick taster. Now pierce them back onto the skewer, keeping that seam in front so that it stays nice and tight. Repeat with the rest of the skewers. Lay them back onto the barbecue. Rotate until all that cheese is nice and melted and you got a nice char all over. Pull them off. Lay down a bed of pico. Throw the skewers right on top. Little jalapeno on the side. Top them with some guac. Sprinkle on some cilantro.
Oh! That's fucking good. Let's go. What I'm talking about.